is this banana ice cream. So it's just frozen bananas and a little bit of vanilla extract. Blended it up, and I've topped it with some cacao nibs and some shredded coconut. Alright guys, and here is half of a watermelon. Alright, and there is the after. So I pretty much ate all of it. I got a little bit full, but... So my lunch today is going to be this delicious, creamy, raw vegan mushroom soup. So I'm going to have this bowl, and I have some more here in the blender, so depending on how hungry I am, I will probably finish that up. So I have this big container of washed romaine leaves and this dish of guacamole. This is just avocados, lemon juice, garlic, some sea salt, and black pepper. And yeah, I just like to dip it like this and eat it up. So as you can see, we've got some zucchini, some tomatoes, some corn, some sprouted lentils, some red onions, there's some spiced walnut meat, and yeah, this is going to be a delicious sprouted lentil chili. So it's all prepped here. At dinner time, I am going to warm it up a little bit, and that's going to be our dinner.